Hey everybody, happy Thursday. How are you all doing? Long time no see, all the way since Tuesday night, right? I'm still a bit under the weather, but I'm getting there, and I'm gonna knock this thing out yet. But I'm not letting it get me down. I'm continuing to push on with my word of the year, which is action, action, action. So that said, take action, because today is the last day to sign up for the January Paper Pumpkin, which is going to be Paper Pumpkin Goes Wild with Animal Expedition, and it's going to be Valentine's Day. Cute critters for Valentine's Day, more to love. So Paper Pumpkin is $19.95 a month plus any tax in your area. The shipping is included. So, and every month you get a little stamp set, you get a little ink cube, and then you get all the products necessary to make what's in what the project is, or the cards, or whatever it is. This month I think it's treat bags, but there's always alternates that we demonstrators do to show you how you can use the box, the products, in other ways than what you initially see. So if you don't need however many treat bags are in the box, you make something else with them, or, you know, think outside the box. So every month around the 19th to the 22nd, in that time frame, I should have my box, and I'll do an unboxing. Usually I'll make a couple of the items the way they're meant to be made, and then I'll either at the same video or in a separate video do alternates, so you can have some ideas on what you can do with the kit other than the way it's intended to be used. But I'm looking forward to it. It's something different, and maybe I can make some cute things for my granddaughters. Okay, now that said, there's a Sale-a-Bration going on right now, and you can sign up for the month-to-month Paper Pumpkin subscription. But if you sign up with a prepaid subscription, you will be eligible for some Sale-a-Bration free items. So let me go to the next one here. If you sign up with a 3-month prepaid, you get one Sale-a-Bration level 1, which means it's a $50, it would be equivalent to a $50 purchase. You get a free item in the Sale-a-Bration. There's 2 levels in Sale-a-Bration. One's spend $50, get the item free, and the other spend $100, get one free, or get two $50 free. So that kind of thing. If you sign up for 6 months, you can get 2 level 1s, or 2 of the ones that say spend $50, get an item free, or 1 level 2, which is the $100 spend ones. And at a 12-month, you can get 4 of the $50 level 1s, or 2 of the $100 level 1s. So it just depends, and I will have links below this video. There's a separate link for Paper Pumpkin, so if you go to that, and if you sign up for Sale-a-Bration, if you sign up for Paper Pumpkin on a prepaid, please do use the January host code, unless it's over 150, and I don't remember how much these are off the top of my head, so forgive me for that. But if for example the 12-month one is over 150, don't use the host code. But if the others are under 150, which I believe they are, use the January host code, which will be below the video as well, down in the description. But it's XJWJDCE4, and that will put you in a drawing for 2 ink pads, because we did not, guys, I'm not doing the drawing for December because we did not hit $150 sadly on the host code. So if the January code gets to $150 or more in orders, these 2 stamp pads will be given away to the same person. I just do 1 winner, and they are Smoky Slate and Gorgeous Grape. So yeah, be sure to place your order, or sign up for Paper Pumpkin on a prepaid if you're not already signed up, or even, I think even if you are, you can go in and order a prepaid and change it from monthly to prepaid. That's up to you. Okay, so Also, if you're interested in joining my team, now is the time to do it, guys, because normally you get $125 worth of product for $99. But right now there's two options at Stampin' Up. Get $175 worth of Stampin' Up products for just $99, which is $50 more in free products, or get $175 worth of Stampin' Up products plus the Craft and Carry tote, which I have here. This beautiful tote, and sorry this is kind of far up, but it can hold your trimmer, or if you take these dividers out, I'm told it holds a Big Shot. The dividers are removable, so customizable. It's got pockets on the outside, zippers on the outside, another big long zipper on this side, and it's in Coastal Cabana and Night of Navy. What wouldn't you love about those colors, right? Anyway, and here it shows it fully loaded in these pictures. They have, you know, catalogs, paper pads, markers, ink pads for travel only, not for storage, stamps, punches, scissors, your dimensionals, everything you would need if you're going to, like, a, what do they call those things? Well, a class, or just a get-together to make cards or craft. It can hold a lot of product, but the only way you can get it is to join, and then you can put it in your starter kit and pay $129, and you'll get the tote. So you're getting it for basically $30. I paid $50, just so you know. And it's not available to us demonstrators anymore. That was only in pre-order. Now it's only available if you become a new demonstrator through this option too. So you pay $129, you get $175 worth of other products, Stampin' Up products, and you can get the Craft and Carry tote. Great deal, guys. Great value. So, sorry, I'm holding the tissue in my hand. This cold is knocking me for a loop. So, don't forget, we have our Occasions catalog and the Sale-a-Bration. And I'm not going to walk through this. I did a separate video, which I'll link, where I walk through both. But it's got many things that if you spend $50, you can get items free. And in the back, there are a couple items that if you spend $100, you can get the Tea Time framelits, or the this beautiful Lasting Lily stamp set. This is gorgeous. I have that one. And I will be using that at some point. So don't forget, January host code for placing your orders, XJWJDCE4. That'll be down below the video as well. And then I just want to quickly show you, the other night we did a live, and we did 3 out of the 6 cards. I let the folks that joined me pick which ones. So one of the ones we did not do together was this one. I went ahead and did the next one. I did a little bit different. I used my pretty label punch instead of this everyday label punch. But otherwise, oh, and instead of having it on white cardstock with balmy blue and then the watercolor paper, I just put it on the balmy blue. And I think next time I will do it the way I did this one, because we need the extra layers. But on this one also, I put a stamp inside just of the butterflies. So that's that one. And then this one we didn't do together either, and this is the one I did for that. So it's similar, but it's turned the other way, and instead of the balmy blue in the background, you see what I did? I took the reverse. So this is the blue that came out of this rectangle. This is the white frame that came off of this one. And I stamped on the blue a little note, and I stamped butterflies in the same color, tone on tone. I'm hoping you can see this. And then these are colored with Stampin' Blends, which are the alcohol markers in Highland Heather, light and dark, and Coastal Cabana, actually, I think. Or is it Bermuda Bay? Bermuda bag, excuse me, light and dark. And then this is one of the organdy ribbons in the 6-pack that you can get as a free item in the Sale-a-Bration. And then on the inside, I just have a piece of cardstock. So that's one of the other ones that we didn't do on the live. And then this was the last one. This was the original one, but I took it down. We're Stampin' Up! You can get a pack of note cards and envelopes. So I did the same card, but I did it on a smaller scale as a note card. And I think I like that a little bit better. It doesn't have quite as much white space. And I just left the inside blank. This is the, it's a stitched oval out of the Stitch Shapes framelits. So that is the last one. And then the ones that we did together were, in case you missed the live, and I'll link that as well, this one. This is the original. This again is a note card. And this one, this was the original. This is using the beautiful Grapefruit Grove foil paper and the Gingham Gala paper in Grapefruit Grove. And then the foil paper is one of the, also the free items in the Sale-a-Bration. And the butterflies and the thanks and these little flourishes are out of the well-written word framelits. They're in the Occasions catalog, okay? And then these are the butterfly elements, except there's flowers and leaves in them as well. Those are one of the free items in the Sale-a-Bration. So I hope you'll be checking that out. These cards featured the Butterfly Gala. And this is the Botanical Butterfly Papers. One sheet of it that's in the Sale-a-Bration as well. Free paper if you spend more than $50. So these are gorgeous papers. And then this is out of the Butterfly Gala stamp set and the Butterfly Duet Punch, both in the Occasions catalog. Same here. And again, the organdy ribbon here, it's in Grapefruit Grove. So this was the original one, and then this is the one that we made live. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I do hope you'll consider a purchase. And my link to my web store is down below. All the products I used in the making of all 6 of those cards are in below the live video. So like I said, I will link that. If you do place a purchase with me, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Here's the January host code, XJWJDCE4. And at the end of the month, if I have $150 in orders on that host code, you'll be put in, those who ordered under it will be put in a drawing for some free ink pads. Okay? Have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll be back shortly with another video, just sharing some happy mail that I got. Okay, bye for now. Have a great day.